Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop permanently all those advertisements that keeps on blocking your screen and playing randomly. So if you're experiencing persistent ads that block your screen and you have tried everything possible to stop them and you can't, then let me show you how you can stop them. Now the first thing to stop distraction, you'll need to turn your data off before you can sort this out. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to settings, and here's my settings. And the same should apply on any other Android smartphone that you may have. Now, from settings, look for this option called connection and sharing. And under it, go ahead and look for private DNS. Now, if you are finding it hard to get to this page, or if you can't find this process on your settings, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. Now, the easiest method is to go to settings, and then just go ahead and search here, private DNS, just like that. And then you will see we have private DNS here. If you tap on it, it will still take you to the same page. As you can see, currently it is set to auto. On some phones, it might be set to on or off. Go ahead and choose this last option called private DNS provider hostname. So if you tap on it, you will have to go ahead and enter the following here. Just type dns.adguard.com. And once you have entered this dns.adguard.com, like that, go ahead and tap on save. Now proceed and start using your phone. Connect to internet. You will never again see those pop-up advertisements or those advertisements that cover your screen on your Android smartphone. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and kindly subscribe to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.